Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a Rajasthani special chutney which is called garlic chili chutney. We need a lot of red chilies and garlic for that, so stay tuned. So here we have the ingredients that we need. 10 to 12 dry red chilies, 1 onion, 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, the curd to give it a little bit of twist. And we have salt, turmeric, coriander powder and some cumin seeds. So the oil is heating up in a pan. Now we're going to put some garlic and then we're going to put some onions in it. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're going to cook this on the medium flame until these get brown. So now these are getting a little brown, so we're going to put the dry red chilies in it. Now cook it for 1 minute. Now it's been 1 minute, so we're going to add all the spices and then cook for a couple more minutes and mix it well. Now it's done, so we're going to let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. So we have taken all of that in this grinding jar. Now we're going to add some curd to it. Now we're going to grind this. Now this is done. So we're going to fry this one more time, but this time with some ghee. Now we're using the same pan. Let's add the ghee. Now we're going to add this stuff. Now we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Now look at this chutney go. It's absolutely ready to go. Now guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Cheers!